Hello, my name's Francesca and I work for Staffordshire Wildlife. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a collage. A collage is a piece of art and you make it using different materials. Some people use photographs, could use paper or even fabric. But what I'm going to show you is how to make a natural collage. I'm going to use leaves and flowers. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So when you've collected your leaves and flowers, you can start to arrange them in the book. If you don't have a book, you can use sheets of paper. And just remember to put something heavy over the sheets to make sure that they're properly pressed. Then finally, leave for a couple of days till you're ready for the big reveal. So here are all the leaves and flowers. Now, a piece of paper, some pens and some glue is all you'll need. Just do a bit of wild art and then just arrange your flowers and leaves wherever you'd like them on the page. And when you're ready, then you can start sticking. So here I'm just using little bits of flowers and leaves and then moving them all over the page till I'm ready. So now I'm going to do the butterfly's antennae and I'm going to make a nice little body there, and this is going to be my dragonfly. There we go, just sticking that nice lovely leaf down, and that's going to be the final dragonfly wing. Now who's this little fella? I just think he looked a little bit like a hedgehog. Yes, I'm going to give him little feet here, and then I'm going to put some nice little spines on him. Whatever happens, enjoy yourself, have a bit of fun. So that's my collage done. Now it's your turn. Good luck.